Luigi, I'm so bored. Don't worry. We'll find something to do. We always do. Yeah, that may be true, but not this time. Oh, come on, Mario. Be positive. Luigi, can I talk with you for a second? Oh, hey, Bowser. Sure. Mario, excuse me for a second. So, what do you want, Bowser? Oh, I just want to tell you that I have the hiccups. You have the hiccups? Well, what am I supposed to do about that? I was wondering if you could help me get rid of them. Well, I'm not a doctor. Mario is a doctor, though. I don't trust Mario. Well, he's a bit childish, I know. Why don't you just call Dr. Reisnick? He's on his holiday, and I don't want him to help me because have you seen what he's done at the hospital? Can't be that bad.
Well, I got the results of your ultrasound, and I got some news for you.
Wait. We don't want to know if it's a boy or a girl.
Oh, okay. Well, it's not breathing.
Oh. Well, that's not even his fault that the baby wasn't even breathing. I know, but still, I don't trust him. Sorry, Bowser, but Mario's the only option. Fine. Mario? What? Oh, hey, Bowser. What's going on? So, Mario... I was wondering... I got this. So Bowser has the hiccups, and he's wondering you can help him. We really better call a doctor for hiccups? Yeah, Dr. Reisig is on his holiday, so we were wondering if you can help him. Ah, great. I'm a expert at getting rid of hiccups. Give me a second. Where is he going? I don't know. Did someone call a doctor? Dang it, I thought that would work. Why did you scare him? Because, Luigi, scaring people is the best way to get rid of hiccups. And I thought that would work. So, I got a better idea. Here it is. Let me guess. Are you going to give him that pill that basically fixes everything? Because every single time I see you give that to someone, it magically fixes someone. Hey, it doesn't always work. Unoriginal. Huh? Okay, Bowser, eat this. I think it worked. Dang it. What do we do now? We gotta scare him, but in a different way. Follow me. Okay, Bowser, come this way. Okay. Mario? Mario, where'd you go? Luigi? Where'd Mario go? I don't know. I have no idea where he is. Yikes! Oh? Oh, sick costume. Thanks. I found it myself. You really got scared by that, Luigi? Pathetic. Okay, look, it was really scary to me, okay? Yeah. Oh. Marin, I told you to scare him when Bowser comes by, not Luigi. Next thing. Mario, why are we walking down this dark hallway? Oh, I don't know. So the dark can scare him. You're really funny, you know that? Thank you, I've known that for years. Unlike you, you're not funny. This isn't even scary. What? Luigi, what's wrong? Damn it, it didn't get him. Luigi, why do you keep getting scared? You're not supposed to get scared. Bowser is. Next thing. Oh, he's cute. Okay, this next step is very scary. If he does not get even a little bit startled by this, he is the biggest man on the planet. And what is that? Our next step is a Rubik's Cube. And if you don't solve it in 5 minutes, you will die. Now that I think about it, Rubik's Cubes are actually pretty scary. Yup, and that's why I grabbed it. Okay, Bowser, go. What? That's not even scary. Next step. Okay, Bowser, for this next step, I just need you to sit here I just need you to sit still. 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 I'm done! We're gonna get something else. Okay, this will work this time. A little Christmas hat. There you go. Mario, what is the point of this? Wait, what are you doing with the gun? Oh, nothing. I'm gonna shoot Bowser? No, I'm just gonna shoot the hat off his head. Maybe that will try to scare him. Ooh, smart. So what do you want me to do? I just need you to sit still, okay? Oh, you shot my hat. I like that hat. God dang it. Next step? Yeah. Mario, why are we back here? Because I have a gift. Huh? Mario? Why is there a bomb in here? Because Bowser needs to defuse it in the next 2 minutes, or we all explode and die. Oh my god. Bowser, how do we do this? No. Hey, I told you, only Bowser can do this, okay? Okay. Bowser, our lives depend on you. I know. How do I do this? How am I supposed to do it? I don't know. Figure it out. I don't know how to do this. Is there any, wires can cut? No, I can't. How are you supposed to do this? Nah, I'm just joking. It's a fake bomb. I just want to try to scare you, but it didn't work. Oh. Okay. My mango is to blow up. Come on, Mario. There's no other way to get rid of the hiccups for him? No, I've tried everything. Everything. We've tried Rubik's Cubes. We've tried jump scares. We've tried nuclear bombs. I'm sorry. There's nothing else I could do. Boo! I give up. I literally give up. Sorry. How can I help you anymore? But... No buts. Get out of my office. This is not your office. This is your house. Well, then get out of my house. But I live here. Mario, calm down. How am I supposed to calm down when I can't fix the problem? Wait. I got an idea. Wait. You do? Yeah, it's a great idea. It will 100% work. I promise you that. Okay then, is this idea less or non-dangerous? Nope. Wait, what? Come here, Bowser. Wait, Mario, what are you doing? If it's the only way, that's how it's gotta be. Wait, Mario, no! So long, gay Bowser. Alrighty then, let's see if it worked. What? I said come on, we gotta find out. Bowser, you okay? Yeah, do you not have your hiccups anymore? I'm fine. I landed on my head, but I'm fine. We did it. I think we did it. He's not hiccup anymore. Eureka! We did it! Well, I'm sorry, Bowser. You guys are gonna have to stay with your hiccups forever. It's okay. You want to go for a little walk? Sure. So, Bowser, how's your day? Besides you having hiccups. I would say it's pretty, if you ask me that. Did you mean to say pretty good? Yeah, I meant to say pretty. Excuse me for a second, I use the bathroom. Oh, okay. I just gotta go pee real quick. Huh? Ah! Bowser, you okay? What's wrong? I just saw myself, but really ugly in the mirror. Huh? I look fine. You okay? Oh, okay, I must be seeing things. I saw that other King Koopa wannabe, and maybe I was just seeing things like I was him for a second. I would rather die than be him. Wait, Bowser. What? You haven't done a single hiccup. I think looking in the mirror actually helped you. Wait, you're right. I have hiccuping. Oh, thank God. I thought you were going to stay with hiccups forever. Oh, no.